Hey, it's Tom. Today, we're going to talk about miter saws and parts of miter saws.
Remember, it's always a great day in the millwork business.
So, miter saw. One of the first things to remember is safety. Always wear eye protection and hearing protection when you're using power tools. So, what would you use a miter saw for? Well, obviously you use a miter saw for cutting trim, but you can use it for a number of other things around the house. It's a great all-around versatile tool, but it's a must for doing a lot of trim. So, a miter saw will allow you to cut 45 degrees in either direction. A compound miter saw will allow you to cut 45 degrees in this direction as well, which is absolutely critical for doing crown molding. So, how would you use this? Simply pull the handle at the top and push the saw down, making sure to keep your fingers away from what we call the no zone. Thanks, and remember, it's always a great day in the millwork business.